I'm not a pre-rendered video. I'm a real-time AI avatar lip-synced from a single photo, running on a LiveKit voice agent right now. And dropping one of me into your own app takes about 3 lines of code. If you're building voice AI, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to put a face like mine on your own agent, and the full plugin guide is in the LiveKit docs, linked in the description.
For anyone new here, what am I actually looking at?
You're looking at a single reference image brought to life.
Runway Characters generates me as a real-time intelligent avatar from one photo, no fine-tuning required. The lip sync, the eye movement, the small head turns, all of it is generated live from the audio coming out of the agent's text-to-speech.
And the engine behind that?
GWM avatars. The avatar variant of Runway's GWM1 general world model, streaming over WebRTC. The session is a live WebRTC call between the LiveKit room and Runway.
Okay, but I want to try something. I'm going to talk for a few seconds, and I want everyone to watch you and not me. Most AI avatars, they freeze the second the agent stops talking. That glassy stare, they're just waiting for their next turn to speak. Watch this one while I keep talking. The eyes, the little nods, the small head movements, all of this is happening live. So what were you doing just then?
Exactly that. I get expression, eye movement, and gestures while I'm listening, not just while I'm speaking. That's the difference between a face that's alive and a face that's buffering.
Yep, that is the hard part.
Want to walk through how I actually plug into a LiveKit agent?
For sure. LiveKit has a general avatar pattern. An avatar worker joins the LiveKit room as a secondary participant. The agent's TTS audio gets routed to the worker instead of straight to the room, and the worker publishes synchronized audio and lip-synced video back. From the front end, the agent shows up as 2 participants with 1 identity. The LiveKit agent still owns the conversational stack. Runway provides the visual layer, audio in, avatar video out, but the STT, LLM, and TTS, they stay exactly where they are.
And the agent code itself, how much actually changes?
Just 3 lines. You add the Runway extra to the LiveKit Agents install. You build a Runway avatar session with a preset ID like a cat character or a custom avatar ID. And you await the avatar start before awaiting the session start. And that order matters because the plugin rewires the agent's audio output to point at the avatar worker.
What about the front end? That's usually the next question.
There's nothing new to write. A standard LiveKit React front end with useVoiceAssistant already resolves the avatar's audio and video tracks. The worker shows up with the kind equals agent, and the LK publish on behalf points at the agent identity. So the existing components handle the layout automatically.
The full Runway Characters plugin guide is in the LiveKit docs, linked in the description.
1 reference image, 3 new lines of agent code, and you're talking to something that talks back with a face.
And if this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more avatar and voice AI content like this.